running Python. If you're just starting, you might need to install Python and related software before you can run Python code. This can be intimidating for beginners. So let's start out running the Python interpreter in a web browser. By the way, the Python interpreter is a program that reads and executes Python code. We will use PythonAnywhere to provide an interpreter. I have the steps here. First, we go to PythonAnywhere.com and create a free beginner account. We can use the nice, friendly, big green button. Beginner, free. Create a beginner account. Username, error codes. Info, I'll use info@errorcodes.com. I'm going to hide what the strong password is going to be. There we go. The password you saw is not the real password. I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and I register. So let's give that a second to go. I'm going to end the tour for now. And on my dashboard, I can scroll down and see new console Python. Let's go back to the instructions. So under Start a new console, select Python 3.4 or a more recent version, and we should see text that looks like this. Python, we'll go 3.10. That's the most recent available on PythonAnywhere. There, so it tells us Python 3.10.5 main July 22nd, 2022, and a timestamp on Linux. Type help, copyright credits, or license for more information. And now it gives us these three arrows, or what are they called? Anyway, there's three of them. And I said the first 3 lines tell you information about the interpreter and the operating system it's running. It's actually squeezed that into 2 lines. So like I said, your mileage may vary. But the important thing is the last line is a prompt where you can enter code. We'll start with a really simple example, 1 + 1. And it outputs 2. Very good. So now you know how to start the Python interpreter and run code. You're ready to start. In future videos, I'll assume you know how to start the Python interpreter and run code. The source for this material is Think Python by Alan Downey, and a free HTML version of the book is available at this web link, which I'll also include in the description.